Assalamu alaikum. Good evening to all the gorgeous people of ARY Digital. Karachi Kings finally sneaked into the playoffs by a sniff of margin by beating Quetta Gladiators, and they have made it to the playoffs. But the top team obviously has been Islamabad United. They have 16 points. They got the better of Multan Sultans. And the third team is, of course, Peshawar Zalmi, and the fourth followed by Karachi Kings. To discuss all about what's happened so far in the PSL and which team looks to be the team to beat in the playoffs, I have a battery of panelists. मैं आता हूँ कराची की गेम पे. Karachi is going to play Peshawar Zalmi in the eliminator. जो do or die game है, जो जीता है वो आखिरी second last match खेलेगा. अब जब वो लोग इनिशियल स्टेजेस पे खेल रहे थे तो कराची ने पहला मैच जीता था जो पाकिस्तान में हुआ था. अब दूसरा मैच यहाँ पे एकदम कॉम्पिटिटिव या एकदम कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव विक्ट्री किया जल्मी ने जब उनको 100 पे आउट कर दिया. तो क्या करना चाहिए कराची को कि वो बीट कर सके पेशावर जल्मी को?
देखिए पीक तो किया है सही टाइम पे. आखिरी जो 2 मैचेस खेले हैं उसमें गट्स दिखाए हैं, ब्रेवरी दिखाई है. इमाद हैज लेड फ्रॉम द फ्रंट. दैट विल अगेन बी वेरी वेरी नेसेसरी, इसलिए कि सामने भी एक अग्रेसिव कैप्टन है इन वहाब रियाज और उनकी बैटिंग भी अच्छी है, बॉलिंग भी उनकी कंप्लीट है. तो आप अच्छा स्कोर करो, 180 प्लस 200 के करीब करीब स्कोर करो एंड देन अटैक. अब पिचेस इतनी यूज हो गई कि वो शुरू में हमने देखा कि स्पिनर्स को इतनी हेल्पफुल नहीं थी. नाउ दे आर असिस्टिंग स्पिनर्स, इसलिए कि इतनी ज्यादा यूज हो गई. तो अब स्पिनर्स का भी रोल आ गया है. तो इमाद, दानिश, नूर अहमद अटैक करें, विकेटें लें, यू कैन विन अगेंस्ट पेशावर ज़ल्मी.
Fair point, Sikandar. You know, like our friend has mentioned, Shahid Hashmi Saab, that Karachi has peaked. Are you convinced they have peaked, bearing that one over from Danish, who hit that 33 runs, which gave them that spark and a cushion to win and defend the title?
Anis bhai, I believe that you see Karachi Kings, if they want to feel lucky, this is probably the Peshawar Zalmi they can beat. The Peshawar Zalmi we've seen round the years of 5 PSL editions, this is probably the weakest side. और इसमें और चेंजेस अब आ गए. मिलर भी नहीं रहा अब, और इनके फिर फेबियन एलन भी चले गए. अब इनके पास वो इतना कामरान अकमल वो धुआंधार बैटिंग नहीं कर रहे जो पहले करते थे. कराची की जहां तक बात है, कराची शुड, ऐसी फीलिंग आती है, दिस टू मच रिलायंस ऑन वन मैन. इट्स नॉट अ वन मैन शो. आपने जिक्र किया पेशावर ज़ल्मी कराची के मैच का, 108 रन पे कराची आउट हो गया क्योंकि बाबर 0 पे आउट हो गया. बाबर के 65 रन ऐड करने तो 170 हो जाएगा टोटल. तो एक तो वो रिलायंस छोड़नी पड़ेगी. फिर आपको ये भी अंदाजा होगा कि क्रिकेट में रोज कोई एक ओवर में 33 रन नहीं बनाता. दे विल हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड देयर रोल्स. जैसे नूर अहमद ने अपना रोल अंडरस्टैंड कर लिया. उनके 4 ओवर बड़े अहम हैं. और मैं आपको इतना बता सकता हूँ जो नजर आ रहा है बैठ के कमेंट्री बॉक्स से या बाहर से, कि अच्छे स्पिन खेलने वाले भी उनके अगेंस्ट स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं. तो ये अच्छा मौका होगा, टेस्ट करें शोएब मलिक के अगेंस्ट. शोएब मलिक इज नोन टू बी वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेयर्स ऑफ स्पिन. अगर वो स्ट्रगल करते हैं तो उसका ट्रिकल इफेक्ट होता है बाकियों पे, बाकी बैट्समैन पे होता है. अगर ये नहीं खेल पा रहा तो फिर क्या है. कराची के पास मेरी नजर में बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी ये होगी इन अ नॉकआउट एलिमिनेटर. बैट फर्स्ट, डोंट पुट स्कोरबोर्ड प्रेशर ऑन योरसेल्फ. Back yourself. You've got Sharjeel, you've got Babar himself, you've got Guptill. He can add 20, 30 quick fire runs. You don't expect a big 100 or 70 from him, no problem. And then you've got the finishers with you. Imad can do that, Danish can do that.
Asim Sikandar says Zalmi is not that Zalmi and Karachi should bat first. It's a day-night game which is going to happen tomorrow. The due in mind, and rightly mentioned, they are looking like a one-man team. If Babar fails, they don't reach that 170, 180, and not every time you're going to get 33 runs of an over.
Right.
So if you were the opposition team, if you were Peshawar Zalmi, you would make sure that you get Babar off quickly, and there is panic in the dressing room of Karachi.
I think any side in the world will want to get Babar out quickly, not just in the PSL. He's such a phenomenal player. He's a destructive player. But we know he bats long. He takes a lot of time to get to 50, and then after that he explodes. So I think Zalmi have to be critical in their plans against him. He's obviously an explosive player. Sajil starting to peak at the right time as well. And he got a timely 50 yesterday. He's starting to come into the runs. I'm a bit disappointed with Guptill personally. I think he can do a lot more than what he's been shown at the moment. But from Zalmi's point of view, they're also, they've got some skill. They've got some young spinners in Abrar. I think he'll add some value. But Wahab has actually been a very good captain, and I think he's led from the front. And on the day, anything can happen. If there is some scoreboard pressure, if you get up to 170, 180, 190, and you have the momentum in the last 2-3 overs of the first inning going into the second innings, whichever team takes that, I think there's going to be some pressure. The due factor is going to come into play as well. And I think it's going to be an exciting game, bat versus ball.
Shahid bhai, before we call off quickly, Karachi or Peshawar Zalmi?
It's very difficult to predict. Whoever
दिल और दिमाग
plays
दोनों
well,
हैं.
very difficult to predict. But again, जिस तरह कासिम ने कहा, जिस तरह सिकंदर ने कहा, कि this is the best time to beat Peshawar Zalmi. Go out, play your best, play aggressively, and win this
So
match.
Karachi आप कह रहे हैं?
Definitely Karachi.
Sikandar?
I think Karachi. Reason being, I don't know why, I don't see that spark in Zalmi. If Karachi bats first, they're doing a favor to themselves. Like, brave decision, good decision by Ahmad last game, maybe. Toss jeet ke batting ki pehle. Don't put yourself under pressure in an eliminator.
Day game tha, Sikandar. Mind you, this is going to be a day-night game, and you saw them, they're not able to defend 180, 190.
Well, 6 o'clock, see, what we've seen that there's no drastic change over a period of 3 hours in that T20 game. It's already, quite similar. इतना कोई change आता नहीं है. और ना ही हमने ये देखा है अभी तक कि साइड बैटिंग सेकंड जो है वो बड़े मजे से जो है वो शॉट्स लगा रही है. अगर आपको याद हो 479 रन स्कोर हुए थे इस्लामाबाद के मैच में किसी के साथ, दोपहर कह लें उसको या लेट इवनिंग कह लें. और उसके बाद जब आप उसके बाद थोड़ी देर बाद रात को आए तो बिल्कुल ही वो विकेट कुछ और ही खेल रही थी, क्योंकि एक तो ऑलरेडी वो विकेट शायद समझ लें आपके जी 60 ओवर खेल चुकी थी, तो फिर जो साइड बिल्कुल फोर्थ गई है बैटिंग करने के लिए उसको परेशानी हो रही थी. आई थिंक विकेट जैसी भी हो, ड्यू फैक्टर जो भी हो, एलिमिनेटर्स में आप पहले जाएं, स्कोरबोर्ड पे रन्स बनाएं और उसके बाद आप रन रेट, रिक्वायर्ड रन रेट, हर चीज का प्रेशर जो है वो ऑपोजिशन पे डालें.
Scoreboard pressure is what Sikandar say. Qasim, who's going to win, Karachi or Zalmi?
Whoever wins the toss bats first. For me, they're going to win because at the end of the day, they've got the best of the light, they've got the best of the wicket first, and they're going to ultimately get into a position where they're going to put some scoreboard pressure on. I would like that to be Karachi, but just for this audience here, this panel here, I'd probably favor Zalmi just to level it up, 2-1 on this panel. So I'm staying neutral, but I think whoever wins the toss and bats first.
Fair point. We've had the analysis saying Karachi will probably get, Qasim says, for the sake of the panel, he's saying Zalmi. Who will be the top 2 teams which will make it to the finals and who's going to win? Shahid bhai, aap se.
Islamabad versus Karachi final, and Karachi.
जीतेगा कौन?
Karachi will.
जीतेगा. Karachi.
Will.
Islamabad versus Karachi. That means Karachi is going to beat Peshawar Zalmi और वहाँ पे मुल्तान सुल्तान्स को हरा कर आगे जाएगा कराची. सिकंदर, आपने पहले तो दे दिया था कि कराची जीतेगा. ये दोनों के बीच में कौन जीतेगा, इस्लामाबाद या मुल्तान के बीच, और कौन फाइनल में आएगा और कौन फाइनल जीतेगा?
Final Multan Karachi, and Multan will win it. That's what I believe.
Final Multan Karachi, Multan will. Qasim?
Multan will beat Islamabad tomorrow, going to the final. Islamabad will lose to Zalmi, who will win tomorrow's game against Karachi, and Multan will be the overall winners, my home city. So
there are a couple of panelists who want Multan to win the finals. We have Shahid bhai backing Karachi, that they will play Islamabad United in the finals. If I had to be a neutral party out of 3, I see Islamabad United team difficult to beat. Maybe I'm wrong. And I hope Karachi can get the better of them and win the title. Thank you, guys. Great having you all. And we look forward to catching you guys soon.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yesterday's winner was Samir Shehzad from Ajman. Our today's question will be, who is going to win the first qualifier between Islamabad United and Multan Sultans? Make sure to send in your answers at mrcricket@arYdigital.tv. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.